How to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Here is a quick and simple guide on how to do so. First of all, on your PC or Mac, open the Google Chrome app. Then once inside the Google Chrome, all you have to do is click on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, tap on the settings at the bottom. Then navigate to the Google settings. Once inside the settings, at the left-hand side panel, you can see privacy and security option available there. Simply tap on it. Once inside privacy and security, you can see site setting option available. Click on it. Once inside site settings, all you have to do is scroll and find JavaScript under content and simply tap on it. Make sure it is set to sites can use JavaScript. This means that JavaScript is enabled. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.